Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Fortnite. You got the error. Windows cannot access the specified device path or file. You may not have the appropriate permission to access the item while launching the game. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select Windows Update. Click on check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it guys and make your operating system up to date. After finishing this, close it up here. And the second step, if you have installed antivirus with the name of Bullguard, you just need to uninstall the antivirus guys. Bullguard antivirus is not compatible with Fortnite. You just need to go ahead and uninstall the antivirus. After doing this, you just need to right click on the Epic Games launcher and select properties. Select compatibility tab, and in here you just need to check mark run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Both of it check mark it. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close off the Epic Games and relaunch the Epic Game launcher and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. You just need to click on this arrow icon and right click on the Epic Games and select exit. And after doing this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. In here, we need to delete 3 folder guys. The name of the folder Epic Games Launcher and Fortnite game, and scroll down. Just need to search for Unreal Engine. Click on it. These 3 folder you just need to delete it. After deleting these 3 folders, you just need to close stuff here. Now launch the Epic game and click on the 3 dot icon next to Fortnite and select manage. Select verify files. Click on it. Wait for it to complete. This will help you to reinstall the deleted files guys. After finish verifying, you just need to check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the third solution guys. You just need to click on the 3 dot icon next to Fortnite and select manage and select this open install location. And now double click on the Fortnite game and double click on binaries Win64 folder. Now in here you just need to search for Fortnite and you just need to right click on it and select properties. Select compatibility tab. In here you just need to check mark this run this program in a compatibility mode for Windows 8, and after that uncheck run this program as an administrator. If this is checked, you just need to uncheck it guys. After doing this, select apply and OK for save changes. Do this for other Fortnite logo as well. After doing this, now if the Epic game is running in the background, you just need to close it off it and just close it off here as well. And now relaunch the Epic game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. For the fourth solution, you just need to go to this location and go back to Win64 folder and right click on the Win64 folder and select properties and select the security tab. Select edit. Now you just need to select full control over here, check mark it. Select apply and OK for save changes. Select OK. Now we gave the permission to this folder guys. Now you just need to close off here and relaunch the Epic Game Launcher and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.